Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to add picture or video to my eyes only on Snapchat. So let's begin the video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will simply open your Snapchat application. So here you will simply tap on the pictures. These are the memories option. Here is you will simply tap on camera roll option. Here you will select any of the picture you want to add to my eyes only. You will press and hold the picture or video in your gallery. These are your galleries pictures. You will simply tap on hide option and you will simply tap on move. So you will simply tap on delete option. So here you will tap on my eyes only. Here you will enter your password and here is the picture. So this is the simple process of adding a picture or video from phone gallery to my eyes only on Snapchat. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.